Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am continuing with my BlackShark series, where I unbox and review BlackShark products. Today I have the BlackShark SixGill K4 60% RGB gaming keyboard. Now I know BlackShark headphones and earbuds are quality, but how about their other peripheral devices? Are they just as good? Well, stay a while, listen, and let's find out. In the box, we have the warranty card, the instruction manual, the keycap puller, the USB-C cable, and the keyboard itself. One thing I took note is that this keyboard is pretty light. It is a 60% keyboard, but some of the same types of keyboards weigh a little bit more, so I was surprised that this one was pretty light. Now the keyboard only comes in blue switches, and it is not hot swappable. It is a nice matte black finish and looks very premium, but not at a premium price point. You are able to swap out the keys, however, I will leave this stock for now. I don't want to go too crazy on the different keycaps that I can replace this with. The keycaps are lightly textured, so when you are typing on the keys, you do have some tactileness to them. One thing I liked about this before turning it on is that it does have the BlackShark logo on the bottom right front of the keyboard, and it's not very pronounced. I do like the subtlety. Okay, so for the moment you've all been waiting for, let's plug this in and test out the RGBs. The default setting is a gradient wave RGB, and here let's begin by testing out the 8 different colors. Next, we'll test out the 12 different RGB light settings. Lastly, I'll let you all hear some ASMR of how the keys sound while typing. All in all, I would say this is a really good budget branded keyboard. What I really like about this is that you don't need to download a third-party app to change any of the RGB settings. It's all in the keyboard. Now, I don't have anything against those keyboards that require a third-party app to change anything. Sometimes it's just easier to be able to do it on the keyboard itself. Another thing that I liked about this is how light it is and the responsiveness of the keys and the switches. I usually go for the blue switches, so it's a good thing that this came in blue. I do like the clicky clackiness of this, and if you enjoy hearing the keys being pushed, I think you will like this keyboard as well. For $26, this is a really good deal, and I'll post a link to the product in the description below. Alright everyone, hope you liked what you saw. Consider leaving a like or a comment or even subscribe. Now that we've passed the 100 mark, my next goal is 500. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next Budget Tech Reviews video.